Hello viewers, welcome back to Blossom Life Tarot. I am in process of posting all the videos for you, and we are now doing the relationship readings for all of you. Half of the sign I'm already done with. Rest of it should be live within this week positively. So you will have your relationship readings also in place by the end of this week. Though I was, I've been thinking about a lot of stuff recently. There's a lot of things are going on, in the country right now, and in the world. In fact, so U.S. has got some fire, and that wildlife fire has happened, and then the forest is all on fire right now. It is impacting the residential life also of people. Sushant Singh Rajput is another, case where. I don't know. Somehow I feel very connected to this guy. In fact, it happens very rare that one person. I have seen it that if I meet one person, you are also meeting the same person. We both might think differently about that person. I was not a fan of this guy. I liked him, but then I was not a fan. I will not call myself a fan of Sushant Singh Rajput, but when I remember the day I got to know about his demise, I was about to start a live session with you all, and when my husband told me that he's committed suicide, I somehow got disturbed that very day, and I will not exaggerate it. For a month, like for around 1.5 months, I was very disturbed with listening to his story and his background on television, and then following that case. And I'll say that till today I follow that. I don't know. There was something different about this child. There was something different about this person, that all of us, so many people, crores of people, they now feel connected to him. And somehow the energies are so strong that whenever I start talking about him, I get goosebumps. That it's so strong. So I just hope that he gets justice, and whatever is happening in the political view of this case, and whatever is happening, and that doesn't really impact the justice part of this case. That's one thing. Second thing which is happening these days is the another case, which is Hathras case, that rape case, which is been registered recently, and I think CBI is taking over that. Somehow I feel about it very strongly, that we really and desperate need of having a strong law for women in India, because these cases do happen every day. I do not understand that heinous psychology of these people who are how can someone do something like this to someone? And I don't understand. This is very disheartening, very sad. I don't have enough words, actually fail me to share my feelings, what exactly I feel about them. Today I felt like connecting with you all, sharing what I really feel, and somehow these things impact you also, no matter if you're on a spiritual path, you are a psychic, and you are into what kind of science, divine energies. It does happen to you. It does impact you. Surely it has impacted me also, and I feel good when I talk to you guys, share my views with you. I do it not very I don't really do it frequently, but then whenever I feel very strongly about something, I feel like sharing it with you guys. And this is how I feel about these two things right now. Media channels, the way they practice media now, I feel that is also unethical now. The way they talk on channels, they make it essential, make it a sensation out of a news. Oh, we have done it first, this is first on this TV. The core value, the core meaning of that news gets lost somewhere. And I really appreciate the wisdom now we have, being a citizen of the country, that we can differentiate between a lie and what is true and what is false. Like this case, like Sushant Singh Rajput case, when that girl who's a culprit, the first prime suspect in this case, she got a platform to talk about it. People could actually make out what she's talking right, what she's talking wrong about. Giving her a benefit of doubt, maybe she was really in love with the person. There's a possibility. But if you really love someone, you fight for the betterment and justice of that person, rather than putting blame on that person who can't even defend himself, now coming here and say things about himself. That shows the kind of, maybe, I don't know, I don't want to judge people, I don't want to be judgmental here, it's just my thought. So the only suggestion I have for you is that be positive in life, and be in connection with at least one friend who's positive in life, who values who follows the values and ethics of life. Good company makes you a good person. Bad company makes you and influences your goodness also. So that turns into a bad attitude. That can happen, certainly. Right? So company matters a lot. Tell this to your kids, and make them understand that having a good company, good friends who have good company, can take you to right places and take you to right paths, rather than having bad company and bad people around you. That's very important. Do not ever think of taking your own life, because it doesn't help. In fact, it showcases you as a weaker person in front of your family, friends, your kids. Every problem has a solution in this world. Every problem has a solution. So nothing is impossible. If you break impossible, I'm sure you've heard it earlier also, that impossible itself says I am possible. So be positive in life. Maybe what will happen if your business is not doing well, maybe you used to own 4 cars, now you will own 1 car, but then you will still have something. There still be people around the world, in the world, who would want to live your life the way you are living your life, because their life is much worse than what you are living right now. So be positive in life. The more you think bad about people, the same manifestation happens for you also. So focus on your betterment. Make yourself so much better than others that people want to be like you. They want to be you. Motivate them. So take care. Be happy in life, and don't let anything impact you in a way that you feel that your life is useless. Life is a special gift given by our angels to us, and there's the meaning they have sent us to here, to this place. You have a purpose in life. Find that purpose and be positive in life. That's what I have to say to you guys. I always feel connected with you all. I feel that when I talk to you, I release those energies, and then I maybe, if whatever I said leaves you or leaves 1% of impact on you in a positive manner specifically, I think then whatever I said is successful, and it was worth it. It was worth it. Okay, so take care, be positive, be nice to people around you, and first of all and foremost, be good and nice to yourself. Treat yourself well. Okay, take care.